Welcome, I'm Rony. Today we will learn how to talk about travel and vacations. Traveling is a wonderful experience and a common topic in conversations. These phrases will help you plan trips and share your experiences. I will speak slowly and clearly. Listen carefully, then repeat after me. Let's begin. Asking about travel plans. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel? Where do you want to go for your next vacation? Where do you want to go for your next vacation? Have you ever been abroad? Have you ever been abroad? What is your dream destination? What is your dream destination? Telling about places you want to visit. I want to visit Paris someday. I want to visit Paris someday. I dream of going to Japan. I dream of going to Japan. I would love to see the beaches in Thailand. I would love to see the beaches in Thailand. I plan to go to London next summer. I plan to go to London next summer. I hope to visit New York one day. I hope to visit New York one day. Talking about travel preferences. I prefer beach vacations. I prefer beach vacations. I like mountain trips and hiking. I like mountain trips and hiking. I enjoy city breaks, exploring museums. I enjoy city breaks, exploring museums. I love adventure travel, like trekking. I love adventure travel, like trekking. I like relaxing holidays, doing nothing. I like relaxing holidays, doing nothing. Asking about transportation. How will you get there? How will you get there? Are you going by plane? Are you going by plane? How long is the flight? How long is the flight? Is there a direct train? Is there a direct train? How much is a ticket? How much is a ticket? Asking about accommodation. Where will you stay? Where will you stay? Are you booking a hotel? Are you booking a hotel? Did you find a good hostel? Did you find a good hostel? Is it expensive per night? Is it expensive per night? Does it include breakfast? Does it include breakfast? Practice time, Part 1. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love traveling. Where do you want to go next? I want to visit Thailand. What kind of vacation do you like? I prefer beach holidays. How will you get there? I will go by plane. Very good. Excellent. This is the end of part 1. In part 2, we will learn how to talk about past trips and share experiences. See you in part 2. Welcome back. I'm Rony. This is part 2. Today, we will talk about past trips and share experiences. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Talking about past trips. I went to Dubai last year. I went to Dubai last year. I visited India 2 years ago. I visited India 2 years ago. I have been to Malaysia 3 times. I have been to Malaysia 3 times. I traveled to Europe in 2019. I traveled to Europe in 2019. I spent a week in Singapore. I spent a week in Singapore. Describing your experience. It was amazing. It was amazing. I had a wonderful time. I had a wonderful time. The beaches were beautiful. The beaches were beautiful. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. The people were very friendly. The people were very friendly. Everything was perfect. Everything was perfect. Talking about what you did. I visited many temples. I visited many temples. I tried local food. I tried local food. I went shopping at the markets. I went shopping at the markets. I took a lot of photos. I took a lot of photos. I met interesting people. I met interesting people. I relaxed on the beach. I relaxed on the beach. Talking about challenges. The flight was delayed. The flight was delayed. I lost my luggage. I lost my luggage. The weather was bad. The weather was bad. The hotel was noisy. The hotel was noisy. I got sick for 2 days. I got sick for 2 days. But overall, it was still good. But overall, it was still good. Recommending places. You should visit Bali. It's beautiful. You should visit Bali. It's beautiful. I recommend going to Rome. I recommend going to Rome. Don't miss the night market in Bangkok. Don't miss the night market in Bangkok. Try the street food, it's amazing. Try the street food, it's amazing. Book your hotel early, it gets busy. Book your hotel early, it gets busy. Practice time, part 2. Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I went to Thailand last year. How was it? It was amazing, beautiful beaches. What did you do there? I swam, ate delicious food, and relaxed. Would you recommend it? Definitely, you should go. Excellent practice, very good. Closing. Today, you learned how to talk about travel and vacations. These phrases will help you share your adventures and plan new ones. Practice them with friends and family. Next time, we will learn how to talk about food and cooking. Thank you for practicing with me today. You did very well. This was Learning with Rony. I'm Rony, your English friend. Goodbye, and see you next time.